If you're walking in the mall with your boyfriend or husband or both or whatever, and all of a sudden you look at a storefront, and there's something that interests you. There's an iPad, there's some article of clothing, there's a piece of jewelry, there's whatever it is. You look at it and you'll say, oh honey, look at that, that's nice. And then we'll go, uh-huh, and then we'll keep on walking. Now, what expectation did you just create for that man? Well, or what expectation did you create for that item? You want it, but who do you want to buy for you? Who? Him, okay? How's that working? It's not. How many of you want to ensure that your relationship is happy? So you have a straightforward conversation like the one that I have. So I've been dating my girlfriend for about almost 2 years in August, okay? I'll have a conversation with her in the beginning of a relationship because my commitment is that she be happy. And the conversation went something like this. If you want me to buy you something, real simple, this is all you have to do. Take a picture of it, write it down, email it to me, text it to me. Let me know when you want it. Make sure I put it in my calendar. Remind me again when's your birthday, remind me again when's our anniversary, and then you have a chance of getting it. How many of you want to make a line and slap me? Okay, why? How many of you are okay with what I said? How many of you think it should be different? Be honest. And it's an expectation that you created in your own mind that now because I said something, I don't fulfill the expectation that you created for me, you're somehow upset at me instead of taking on that responsibility for yourself. Does that make sense? See, people don't like this. Human beings don't like to be responsible.